Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Your baby is 4 months old and it's time to feed baby rice cereal. And today's video I will show you simply how you can make baby's rice cereal. So let's get to it. I will be showing you how to make baby's first food, and I will be using Garber brand rice single grain cereal, and I already prepared 4 ounces of baby formula, and my wife will be helping me make this baby food. First thing, 1 scoop of cereal, and I will be using the same scoop and 4 scoop of formula. For every 1 scoop of cereal, I will be using 4 scoop of baby formula. And then all you have to do is stir it and mix it well. And I usually wait maybe 3-4 minutes before I start feeding my baby. So make sure it's liquidy, and if you just keep stirring it, you will see it's getting a little bit thicker. And here it is. First day or two, be patient with your baby because you are introducing a new food. So for my baby, I used pacifier so he opened his mouth and I put a spoon or two. Just keep trying and good luck.